in Canada because...
A boot! Not a boot. Sorry.
Hey, welcome up to Trail Trush Garage with Jeff. In the editing room here, and I'm just going through and I'm putting together the following video. But I wanted to make a note that I've made every effort to not edit this video. Or like cut chunks out. Like I wanted to try to make it a runtime as accurate to the actual runtime as it was filmed, because I want you guys to get a sense of how long it takes to do this in the conditions that we're doing it in. And this being a tire change. So using the Nomar tire changer. So this is no means of instructional video on how to do this. This is just the way we do it. And it had to be done a little bit differently under the weather conditions that we're in, as you're about to see. So I just wanted to make note of that. I did do some editing, there were a couple of swear words I kind of cut out, and there was a couple of gratuitous butt shots that I tried to remove without removing too much length of the footage, just because I wanted to keep this as real time as we possibly could. It's also the first time I've ever really had to edit two camera angles and the audio tracks and stuff. So yeah, it's kind of amateur-ish. So, you know, bear with me, okay? So, without further ado, on to the video. We got the front tire off, and we realized I think when we did the unboxing video for the Nomar tire changer over on the ADV site, we just said, hey, you know, if you want to know how to use this, go use this. But then we realized, well, those are all pro videos, and maybe we should show you how it really goes when some trail trash get at the changer. So the GoldWing needs a new front tire, so I think we're going to go ahead and do that. A dual sport tire would be more applicable to the channel, but I think if we can do this GoldWing tire on that Nomar, you can pretty much be sure that it's going to tackle anything, you know, on your dual sport motorcycle or even your adventure motorcycle, because those are pretty stiff cruiser type tires, so they're usually the harder ones to change. Some other jobs we're going to be doing today on the garage side anyway. This front mudguard, I've started kind of cutting it. I don't like the way it came out, but it is what it is for now. So I think she's just going to get some plain old flat black paint. We cut off, so these little brackets here go on the brake hoses right here, and they stabilize the brake hose. So what we're gonna do is we cut them off when we were doing all the chopping and shortening of the guard. So we got to weld those back on today. I got one on each one over there too. So they need to be welded back on. This needs to be cleaned up a little bit, sanded down a little more, and weather permitting, it's absolutely terrible, but we did have a little bit of sun earlier. We may get some flat black paint on it at some point today. And then we got to make a decision on these timing belts. I've been procrastinating, but now that we got the front tire off and we're going to take the mudguard off, we've got open access to the radiator. So now, if I'm going to do it today, would be the day to get started at it. So that means draining and removing the rad and getting at the timing belt covers, or not. Because if I don't do it today, I'm not doing it, I don't think. So stay tuned to find out. We may just run it until later in the summer. But enough jabbering, we're going to get moving here. So I'm going to get this off. Probably don't need to film me taking out a few bolts. We'll get it set aside, and then we'll get you guys set up for the tire change if it's not snowing or hailing out there like it was an hour ago.
Yeah, don't forget the thunder and lightning.
Yeah, the thunder and lightning during the snowstorm. So climate change, people. Yeah,
welcome to Nova Scotia.
There you go. All right.
Oh, there's the funness. So we've got to bolt this into the trailer because... Yeah, where'd he run off to? He's like, oh, time to change a tire. Better run away. I'll slam those down there. Yeah. You just climb underneath this way.
That's like I said, that's why I got these extra clothes on. Do the closest one here. Got that. I think these washers are supposed to go up top.
You put a washer up top.
I did?
Yeah. Oh no, it's just a...
Yeah, here, put the washers in. That way it doesn't scratch the... I don't care if it scratches the underside of the trailer.
Oh my God, we can't have it scratch the no-mar.
No.
If we mar the no-mar, then it's mar.
No wonder that light's not working. There's nothing on it. Where'd the wiring go? She's hanging.
That working?
Yeah, give her. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. All right. Well, that's a wire I gotta fix.
Okay. Oh. Okay, so Jeff has this. Whoop, Bentley, crazy dog. Okay, so Jeff has this GoldWing tire. It's one of the. We're trying to avoid getting hit with that. So, sun over here, death over here. So we're gonna try and get this done quickly. We'll see how this all goes. Whoo, the tools.
All right, we're back with the tire changer. So this is the Newmar. Now, this can be done as a one-man job, but unfortunately, I can't lag bolt this to the ground in my garage for various reasons. You can get trailer mounts trailer hitch mounts to go back to your truck, but it does limit your access. So my solution was to bolt it to this trailer. Now, the reason it's a two-man affair when this is because I'm gonna have to maneuver around the tire, and this trailer will tip. It might probably tip less if I put the back down, but I'd have to move the trailer, and well, you know, we're trail trash, so. Oh.
Trailer trash this time.
Yes, right, trailer trash. So anyway, that's why it's a little janky in the setup we have it, but hey, you do what you can do. So we're gonna demonstrate really how hard this is if the weather holds off. It looks like we're gonna get dumped on again. All right, put her down. Oh, we gotta crack the bead first.
Bead cracker. All right, I'm just gonna put this stationary so you got a couple different angles and try and stop you from going on a little adventure. I was just getting a good angle of your bum, so I decided that tie down.
Yeah, no, that's probably good.
Take this.
You don't need an angle like that.
Valve stem remover.
Or core.
Or core remover. Valve stem core remover. Yes. A tool that everyone should have.
Oh, come on.
It's raining.
It's not even a matter that it's rain, right? Like,
it's gonna be
somebody in California is like, what are you guys wondering about the rain? Hey, you don't realize it's like 0 degrees. And the rain's like makes it minus something. Oh, that's a weird core. Huh?
GoldWing.
I guess. All right, so now we got that out. Now let's break the bead. Line those up. There's that brake disc.
No-mar stopper.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on the rim there. Do we have to go down one more?
What's that?
Do we have to go down a rung?
Well, I don't know. I shouldn't have to, but it is just skipping.
Yeah. It's so gross outside right now. Hey!
Boom. All right.
Now that's a broken bead.
Yeah. 230 pounds.
See, I knew these touchscreen gloves wouldn't work. There I am trying to make the camera screen turn on. I think we got enough of this footage.
That is something that bugs me.
What's that?
Is how hard that is to just to hold up while we're maneuvering. Right?
Okay.
While I hold the tire. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's a. What size is that?
That's a 617. That's a 17.
No, I think it can't be.
Or 18 front.
18 or 17. I don't think it's a 19.
No, it wasn't a 19 because we had to special order it, right?
No, 18.
18. Okay.
So 18, I think. I don't know.
It has it labeled somewhere, doesn't it?
Somewhere it did, I think.
Yeah. Once upon a time.
Or the manual says it.
Yeah.
But so we're all the way out on most of this stuff. Now is that a 12? You want to grab me the 12 socket?
I think it's
I think that's a 14, isn't it?
that is 14.
Oh, it's a 14?
Yep, it's 14.
Excellent.
Sorry, you want that out.
Yeah. Okay, so there.
And here, Jeff.
There. Yeah, so let's go.
So you can see how it sits in on the rim, or it's supposed to sit on the outside of the rim, and he's pinching the rim in.
Yeah. I don't like using the impact on that.
Well,
But
you basically just want to make sure you don't have the rim skip off on one side,
no.
which can happen.
Was that already out?
Yeah,
Is that
I
already
put
like
that
that?
out.
No, but does that turn it in? Okay, yeah, I don't want to. You don't want to impact that because you don't want to damage those threads or anything like that. All right, so pick a bar that goes down through. That's perfect. There's 3 different sizes.
Whoop. I messed up my
Okay.
tripod here. One
Mhm.
sec.
So we're gonna go in, get underneath that bead if I can. Get this in. Like, look at that. Look at it over there.
Oh, I know. It's just
That's
like
terrible.
it was sunny and beautiful moments ago.
Somebody in Alaska's going, you pussies.
If somebody in Alaska is watching this, please let us know.
So it's important to get your tire in the bead here, okay? And then just jam that down, okay? And we're just gonna walk it around.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Easy.
Oh, sorry.
So, oh my God, my finger.
Okay, so now we're gonna come up here, we're gonna take another bite. We're gonna get it under this other rim, pull it up over, and we walk around further. Now you see the trailer, or the trailer hitch option that would be on a truck would be hard because you can't. It helps if you can get all the way around, but that really wasn't that hard. So even for me, being an idiot. Woohoo!
Done.
So now's a good time to clean up anything in here. Everything looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does,
Little
honestly.
nicks.
That
That's
looks
not too
pretty
bad. Put that way. So I think we're all good. Now I got the other tire in there with a heat gun.
Oh yes, let's see if it's
Leaving
melted.
The sun helps, but
Yeah.
we don't have any sun. So.
No sun or warmth, for that matter. Nothing like a hot tire.
Well, it just makes going on so much easier.
Oh, I remember when we changed the tires on the XT250. Yeah. No, the KLX. Yeah. We did it on the KLX. The first one we did was cold, and the second one we did was hot. And oh my God, what a difference!
So now, would have been really good if I'd taken note of the tread direction.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Well, it's a dual disc rim, so it shouldn't matter, right?
Yeah, I know it will. It does matter. So that's the speedo drive. The speedo drive's on the left-hand side, so the tire's got to go this way, and that's the arrow. Look at that.
Oh my God!
So what we're going to do is we're going to lube this.
And that is just the proprietary lube with some water.
Yeah, it comes with paste, and we probably could use that paste, but we'll just see what we
Better.
We'll just see if we need it. Okay. Now the first bead, you should be able to just get down over, and I'm gonna need some of that paste lube, I think.
Gotta be it.
We'll try a little bit of this first. And the paste that it comes with, you just mix it up with water for that bottle. So that's all it is. So get this right in there. Lean on it. Yep, that's what you don't want it to happen.
Oh, did you grab the bottom bead?
No, it just come out.
Oh, it came off the...
Yeah. So I'm gonna...
Oh yeah, it just loosened up. Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It pops off there. I don't like to get these so tight you can't use the impact.
Basically, this one needs to pop up on this side to sit inside the thingies. You'll see, it'll loosen off here, but it's sitting up in the middle.
Oh, I don't want that.
The middle of those rungs on every other one.
Gotcha. Yeah, because it's got to sit up. It's got to sit up in that.
Yeah, you got her.
Yeah. There we go.
Beauty.
Got to sit in the pinchy thing. With these spare parts, it does come with spares.
Thank God, because apparently everybody breaks them.
Well, especially until you get used to it, right? So you shouldn't have to do this, but the tire is cold. So I'm just gonna see if I can get a bit in there. It should pop right on in good weather.
Ah, beauty.
So
But
in good weather.
This is obviously not good weather.
No. So now the tire's still pretty warm though from that heat gun. So let's get the beat started. Okay. And so you want to take a quick second and grab me the paste. I'll show them.
Yes.
Because I think we're going to need it.
The paste, the Nomar paste. Paste from Nomar. It's pasty.
So basically, it's like Vaseline, baby. Lube it up. Never too
Would
much.
you recommend 2, 3 fingers, 4, 5?
You know what? You can give her however many fingers you think you need to make sure things go smoothly and everybody's happy. So
Lessons of life from Jeff.
that's right. But pay attention to what you're lubing, because it'll tell you what you need. Right? Don't just assume. Because we're not just here for me. We're not just here for you. We're here for the tire. So let's walk that down.
Wow.
When we're ready.
All right, let me come around to the other side there. Get a different angle.
Now, I'm not using the keeper, but we might need the keeper here. This tire is cooling off fast.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. Get up there. So, over. Boom. Okay. Oh, popped off.
Oh, popped. Here, I'll hold that down a
popped
little
off
bit.
over here. So let's get that down. Get that in. And try not to look, you don't want to leverage against that.
Yeah, it's just gonna. It got so cold so quick,
Yeah.
and so the bites just they've got smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
And you're gonna. Oh, you almost had her. Yeah, you're gonna need that bead keeper.
Get out of there.
Okay.
So, I think it's over in the box.
Okay, copy that. This is Jeff's favorite dildo. Disregard. The bead keeper.
Washing the lube away.
Oh, it's washing our lube away. Well, that's no good.
Well, the lube is so cold too. It's just.
look at where it came right out there, right? It's just holding its shape in the cold.
Yeah. So this is on here. We'll take up a smaller bite here. No, there's a weight there. I don't want to go there.
Oh, my foot is soaked. Stepped in a puddle.
Okay, so there we're gonna.
It goes on. Oh, no, okay, coming around the other side.
So, that should keep that side of the bead down. Okay. So
Should.
Should. Yep.
Keywords.
Okay. Rotate that and take a bite.
What do you think about walking it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. So, okay, yeah. Okay, so here's the other option. So get this down in. It's just so cold. Okay, that locks in, and then this should walk around. Okay, now I have to get here and use my hip. Keep that in the groove. No, get out of here. Again, warm sunny day. We couldn't have picked a worse time to demo this.
The whole thing is spinning on the mount.
Yeah. Everything's just so cold and slippy. All right, so what's gonna have to happen here, buddy, Because I think we're gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna need your help.
Okay, copy that. Well,
Holding the tire. So put some pressure there, okay? And keep the tire from spinning. So use your body to put weight in there.
Yep.
Okay?
that's right.
Yeah.
There you go. Got her, buddy. You got her. Oh, we're so close.
Yeah. So again, one man affair.
If it's warm.
If it's warm and sunny day and you don't have water and snow and
This was a GoldWing tire. It's a GoldWing tire. It's going on a GoldWing.
yeah. So take our keeper out. That's an accessory. That's not. I think you got to pay extra for that. So yeah. All right.
Beauty. Well, that's that. Let's get the hell out of the cold. Go ahead. You said a viewer had a question?
Yeah, Ryan Dickinson from New Brunswick had a question about changing tires. So he's got a Tiger 900, one of the older versions, and he wants to spoon on some new rubber because in where he lives there's very few dealers that will put rubber on unless you buy from them, and they're expensive. So, because that's the other thing is, basically that's one of the reasons we did this, was because dealers want to charge a lot for tires because they have to stock them, and I understand that. But if you happen to get a sale online or something, a dealer will punish you, you know, if you buy the tire somewhere else and then take it in to ask them. They'll charge you like extra. Some don't, but a lot of them do. So he was asking about spooning, and I'm like, well, you can spoon these on. Do you want to do it? Depends on how bad.
Yeah, like getting a softer bias ply, like a Shinko 804, 805. Yeah, you could do it. The Motaz Tractionators, not a chance in hell. What's the other one? Mitas?
Yeah, something like that.
Just really, really stiff sidewalls.
I'm out of the camera shot.
Oh, okay, beautiful. But yeah. Yeah.
You know we're in Canada because
A boot. Sorry.